Under your skin is a continuous web of tissue that connects your toes to your brain. When it gets stiff, you feel old. When it's hydrated, you feel 20 again. This web is called fascia. It controls your mobility, your pain levels, and how your muscles function. But the shocking part is that stretching doesn't fix it. In fact, static stretching can make it worse. Fascia is like a tightly woven sponge. When you move constantly, it stays hydrated and glides smoothly. When you sit at a desk all day, the fascia dries out. It becomes sticky and glues your muscles together. This is why you feel stiff when you wake up or stand up. It's not your muscles, it's dehydrated, glued down fascia. Fascia is made mostly of collagen and water, but water only enters the fascia when it is squeezed and released. Think of a dry sponge. If you just pull on it, like a static stretch, it tears. To hydrate a sponge, you have to compress it, then let it expand to suck in water. Fascia works exactly the same way. But here's the part almost everyone gets wrong about flexibility. Holding a hamstring stretch for 60 seconds does nothing to hydrate fascia. It just pulls on dry tissue. You must use dynamic movement, bouncing, and compression to force water back into the fascial web. When fascia is hydrated, chronic pain disappears. Posture improves instantly. You feel light and springy. And this is where it gets powerful, because you can rehydrate your entire fascial system in just 10 minutes a day. In clinical studies, people who used fascial compression techniques improved their mobility by 40% in 2 weeks. Their lower back pain decreased, their joint stiffness vanished, and their athletic performance jumped. The key was stopping static stretching and starting facial hydration. So here's exactly how to unglue your fascia and restore your mobility. Step 1. Foam rolling, but do it slowly. Find a tight spot, sink into it, and hold for 2 minutes. This slow compression acts like squeezing the sponge. When you roll off, water rushes back into the tissue. Step 2. Bouncing. Jump rope or lightly bounce on your toes for 3 minutes every morning. Fascia is elastic. Bouncing trains its elasticity and forces hydration through the entire web. Step 3. Multi-directional movement. Fascia doesn't run in straight lines. It wraps around your body in spirals. Stop just moving forward and backward. Do twists, side bends, and rotational movements to hit all fascial lines. Step 4. Drink water with electrolytes. Fascia cannot hydrate if your body lacks sodium and potassium. Plain water goes right through you. Electrolytes pull the water directly into the fascial sponge. In a second, I'll show you the one posture mistake that permanently glues your fascia. It's the forward head posture from looking at your phone. It overstretches the back fascia and glues the chest fascia short. Over time, the fascia physically hardens in this shape. It literally becomes a cast, holding you in bad posture. You must break this cast daily by extending your spine backward over a foam roller or chair. 2 minutes of spinal extension daily prevents the fascia from permanently gluing you into a slump. Your fascia is the hidden architecture of your body. Treat it like a sponge, not a rubber band. Stop static stretching dry tissue. Start compressing, bouncing, and hydrating. 10 minutes of fascial care daily will make you feel 10 years younger. Unglue your body. Rehydrate your web today.